Hi guys, this is Toy and talk to Parrot and talk to flamingo and Drumbo Monkey. Now talk to say hello to Unicorn, okay? Hello Unicorn. How are you today, Unicorn? Okay, are you good today, Unicorn? Yes. And this is Monkey. Hello, everybody. Now, and Monkey was playing the moving, jumping, and laughing. Now, here we go. Okay, you can stay. Okay, Monkey, you can stay the parrot and flamingo. Okay, now watch this. Go again. Now, okay, now, goodbye. Say goodbye to Parrot, Flamingo, and Monkey. And goodbye to Unicorn, okay? Goodbye, little unicorn. See you too. Goodbye, unicorn. See you next week. Goodbye, unicorn. Have a nice day. Goodbye, little unicorn. Have a nice day. And goodbye, everybody. This is Monkey and say bye-bye, everybody. See you next week. Bye-bye, little monkey. See you next. Okay. Goodbye, little monkey. Have a nice day. Goodbye, everybody.